Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. I hope you all are staying safe in your home. Let's enter to our today's class. So last day I have given two homeworks. I hope you all of you completed. So in today's class we'll start from example 1.18. If A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, B is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Then show that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Question is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, B equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Then show that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So this problem also we need to find the product of AB and afterwards we need to find the whole inverse. Same as that we need to find B inverse, we need to find A inverse, afterwards multiply the two answer. If both the sides are equal, then we will conclude the answer. If it is not equal, we will say the both are not equal. Understand students? Solution. First, we need to find determinant of A. Okay. First, we are going to find AB the whole inverse. So, to find AB the whole inverse, we are going to find determinant of A. For that, 1, 2, 1, 1. That's equal to 1 minus 2. That's equal to minus 1. That is not equal to 0. Correct? Yes. Then we need to find determinant of B. That's equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2. 0, minus of minus 1. That's equal to plus 1. That also not equal to 0. After finding determinant of A and determinant of B, we need the value of AB. So, we need to find the product of AB. That is, A matrix is 1, 2, 1, 1. B matrix is 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Now, by using 7 method, we need to find the product of these two matrix. That's equal to 1, 2, 0, 1. Then 1, 2, minus 1, 2. Same as the 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Now multiply and write down here. 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2. Then minus 1 plus 4. Then 0 plus 1. Then minus 1 plus 2. So the answer will be 2, 3, 1, 1. Okay. So now we have found out AB also. This is AB. We need to find AB the whole inverse. Is it right? If we need AB the whole inverse, we need the value of determinant of AB. Okay. So we need determinant of AB value. That's equal to determinant of 2, 3, 1, 1. That's equal to 2 minus 3. That's equal to minus 1. That also not equal to 0. Therefore, what did you write? Therefore, AB the whole inverse exists. Is it right? If it is 0, it won't exist. It is not equal to 0. So, AB the whole inverse, it will exist. Now, adjoint of AB we need to find. So, adjoint of AB, it's a 2 by 2 matrix. So, directly we will find. So, 2 here. So, it will be 1, it will be 2. Symbol change. Minus 1, minus 3. This is a value for adjoint of A. This is all the things you know already. Okay. Then, AB the whole inverse means how the formula will be? 1 by determinant of A. In the place of A, here it is AB. So, 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. That's equal to 1 by determinant of AB value is minus 1 into 1 minus 3 minus 1 2. Now multiply with minus, divide by minus 1, 1 divided by minus 1, minus 3 divided by minus 1, minus 1 divided by minus 1, minus 3 divided by 2 divided by minus 1. That's equal to 1 divided by minus 1 means minus 1. Then minus 3 divided by minus 1, that is 3. Then minus 1 divided by minus 1, that is 1. 2 divided by minus 1, that is minus 2. This is a value for AB the whole inverse. Take it as equation number 1. Afterwards, we are going to find the RHS. RHS value, what you need to find? To find B inverse into A inverse. For that, B inverse we need to find, A inverse we need to find. Is it right? For that, first we will find A inverse. A inverse means how the formula will be? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. For that, first you will find the adjoint of A value. So, for finding the adjoint of A value, listen here. So, what's the A value here? A value, this will come here, this will go there. Is it right? So, at J, at J equal to, what is at J value? Change it, 1, it will be 1. Then, here 2 and 1 is there, so 2, 2, here also 1, but symbol change, minus. This is a value for at J, okay. Then, now determinant of A value already we have found out, is it right? So, determinant of A already you know, that's equal to minus 1. So, A inverse is equal to 1 by minus 1 into at J value. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1. That's equal to this one divided by minus 1. Each and everything you need to divide by minus 1. So, minus 1, this one 2, this one 1, this one minus 1. This is a value for A inverse. Next, what you need to do, ma? B inverse. Already we have learned same procedure, but something that is B inverse, A inverse, AB the whole inverse. This is the only difference here, okay. So, here we need determinant B value. So, already we have found out determinant B value. Only we need to find adj B. So, the B matrix is, what's the B matrix? I am writing here for the convenience. 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Okay. So, what about determinant of B value? Already we have found out. First it says 1 is the value. So, adj B, or how it will be? Adj B is equal to, this will change, is it right? So, 2 will come here, 0 will come here. Is this 2 number for number changed, symbol changed. So, this is adj B. Okay, now we have going to find B inverse. That's equal to, so B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B. What's the volume of 1? Is it right? 1 into adj B is 2, 1, minus 1, 0. So, this is adj B. So, B inverse is equal to, if you divide by 1, you will get the same value. So, 2, 1, minus 1, 0. Now, we have found out B inverse. Next, we need to find B inverse into A inverse. That's equal to B inverse, what's the value? 2, 1, minus 1, 0. A inverse, what's the value? Minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. Now, by using the 7 method, see, now if you are expert in finding the product, no problem, no need to put the 7 and all, directly also you can do. So, first row, first column. So, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1. Then, first row, second column, that is 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1. Then here, minus 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 1 is 0. Second row, second column, that is minus 2 minus 0. Okay, that's equal to, what's the value? Minus 1, 3, 1, minus 2. Now, this is equation number 2. Now, we are going to check this 1 and 2, whether both are equal or not. See here, whether both are equal, minus 1, 3, 1, minus 2. Whether this both are equal, yes. So, how will you conclude the answer? 1 is equal to 2, which implies AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Understand, students? So very easy, but you won't confuse. So AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. For that, first you need to find determinant of A value, determinant of B value. A inverse separately, B inverse separately. Afterwards, finding the product of A and B. Afterwards, AB the whole inverse you need to find. Understand, students? Okay. Next problem. Example 1.19. Show that the matrices A equal to 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and B is equal to minus 4 by 35, 11 by 35, minus 5 by 35, minus 1 by 35, minus 6 by 35, 25 by 35, 6 by 35, 1 by 35, minus 10 by 35. What we are going to do is are inverses of each other. Okay, two matrices are given. We need to find both are inverses to each other. Listen here, students, when I am teaching one note, I have explained you if both are inverses to each other means it's not somewhat difficult. That's the meaning is AB into BA equal to I. What we need to prove? To prove inverses of each other means what's the meaning? AB is equal to BA is equal to I. What is mean by inverses of each other? If they ask two matrices or inverses of each other means what you need to prove? AB into BA is equal to I you need to prove. If all the things are equal, we will say both are inverses of each other. Okay. Now, first we are going to find AB. AB we need, is it right? AB for I am writing the A matrix 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Into minus 4 by 35, 11 by 35, minus 5 by 35, minus 1 by 35, minus 6 by 35, 25 by 35, 6 by 35, 1 by 35, minus 10 by 35. So you will feel very difficult to multiply 35, is it right? For that one thing we can do. 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. You can take 1 by 35 outside. So what's the balance? Minus 4, 11, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 6, 25. 6, 1, minus 10. So 1 by 35 you can keep it outside and just you multiply. Afterwards we will see. Carefully you need to multiply. Though if you need, you use by using the 7 method, directly means directly. So first row, first column, is it right? 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 7 into 6 is 42 over. First row, second column. 1 into 11 is 11. Minus 18 plus 7. Then last. Minus 5. 3 into 25 is plus 75. Minus 70. Then with second row. Minus 16. 2 into minus 1 is row with column. That's all. Okay. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 18. Listen here, students, again I am saying if you are not feeling convenient to do like this, please use the 7 method and multiply, no problem at all. Okay. Okay, 1 by 35 it will be here. Okay, no problem. Afterwards you can multiply. So I brought here. Okay. Then second row with second column. 4 into 11 is 44. Minus 12 plus 3. Then 4 into 5 is minus 20 plus 50 minus 30. Then 1 into 4 is minus 4. Then minus 2 plus 6. Carefully you need to do 11 minus 12 plus 1. 1 into 5 is minus 5 plus 50 minus 10. Okay. Now afterwards what we are going to do is simplify this. Okay. So what you will get now? So I am writing this step here, okay. So then only I can see from here. So 1 by 35 is in outside. So inside minus 4 minus 3 plus 42. So that is 35, correct? Then next one, 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 minus, it will be 0. Here also 0. Then this one, 18 minus 18, it also 0. 44, 47 minus 12 is 35. Last also 0. Then this one 0. This one 0. This one 50. 50 minus 15, that is 35. Now what you got? 1 by 35 into 1 by 35 into this one. So now divide each and every term by 35. Divide 35 by 35. 0 divided by 35. 0 divided by 35. 0 divided by 35. 35 by 35. 0 divided by 35. Last. 0 divided by 35. 0 divided by 35. 35 divided by 35. So what will you get? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That's same as identity matrix. Okay. So first part is over. So this part is over. Now we need to find BA. Is it right? Now AB over. So first when I am teaching introduction class for matrix, I said to you, what I said? 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Same as 2 into 1 is equal to 2 in normal multiplication. But in product of the matrix, you can't say like that. Okay. But in this problem, maybe it will be solved. Just we will check. Now we are going to find BA equal to, I am writing the B matrix here. Minus 4 by 35, 11 by 35, minus 5 by 35, minus 1 by 35, minus 6 by 35, 25 by 35, 6 by 35, 1 by 35, minus 10 by 35 into A value 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Now, what will you do? Same as first part, we will take 35 common outside, then only it will be very easy to do, okay. So, 1 by 35 common outside, minus 4, 11, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, 25, 6, 1, minus 10, into 1, 3, 7, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Then that's equal to 1 by 35 into, shall we do directly? Row with column. Minus 4 plus 44 minus 5. I am doing simply. Y means already we have did many problems. That's right. First row with second column. Minus 12 plus 22 minus 10. Then this with last column. Minus 28 plus 33 minus 5. Then minus 1 minus 24 plus 25. Then minus 3 minus 12 plus 50. Then minus 7 minus 18 plus 25. Then last 6 plus 4 minus 10. Second 18 plus 2 minus 20. Then 42 plus 3 minus 10. Now simplify. 1 by 35 into, if you subtract this, you will get 35. This one 0. This one 0. This one 0. This one 35. Last one 0. Check it. This one 0. 0. 42, 45 minus 10, that is 35. Now what will you do? Each and every term divide by 35, you will get 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That's equal to I. So what will you conclude the answer? Therefore, A and B are inverses of each other. Okay. What will you conclude? A and B are inverses of each other. Listen here students, if they ask simply prove that both are inverses of each other, what you need to prove? AB into BA is equal to I, you need to prove. If you got both also equal to I, then we will say both are inverses to each other. Understand? I hope you got idea. Now examples, problems and all over in 1.2 exercise related. So now whatever we have did today, I will give the same model to work out 2 problems. Okay. Homework. Show that matrices A is equal to 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2 and B is equal to 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, then minus 1 by 5, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 4 by 5 are inverses of each other. Will you do? Now only we have did no same model or inverses of each other. For better convenience, you can take the 5 common outside, find out AB as well as BA, that's equal to I, you will get. Okay. Then one more. If A is equal to 3, 7, 2, 5 and B is equal to 6, 8, 7, 9, then verify that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. These are the 2 homeworks. So 2 problems we had did today. So same related 2 problems I have given for you. Please just write down. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So here you will get AB equal to BA is equal to identity matrix you will get. Here AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. We have did one problem, same as that you need to do. Okay. So some more problems are left in exercise 1.2. We will do in the next class. Please stay safe in your home, children. We will see in our next class. Thank you.